Today I have 3 simple winter remedies all from your kitchen for skin, digestion and immunity. Hello friends, how are you today? I hope you're doing great.
Winter is here, and today I'm sharing 3 of my go-to cozy remedies for skin, your tummy, and your immunity. First, my Cardamom Cream Tream Face Pack. Start with half a ripe banana. Mash it until it's smooth and creamy.
Into mashed banana, add 1 tablespoon oat powder and a pinch of cardamom.
Apply a thin layer. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes.
This banana oat pack is amazing. It feels so soothing on the skin. Try it for a natural glow.
Rinse with warm water. Cardamom brightens, calms redness, and leaves skin so soft.
Next, my daily fennel tea. Perfect for digestion, especially after meals. 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds into a cup of hot water.
Let it steep for about 5 minutes until it turns golden and fragrant. Sip it warm. It eases bloating, soothes your tummy, and calms digestion naturally.
Third, my grandmother's winter secret. Ginger and jaggery for warmth and immunity. Let's make this. Half teaspoon dry ginger powder and 1 teaspoon jaggery powder.
Stir well. It warms you from inside, boosts immunity, and keeps winter colds away.
3 simple natural remedies, all from your kitchen, for your skin, your tummy, and your whole body. Let me quickly recap. Banana and cardamom face pack for glowing skin, fennel tea for digestion, and ginger and jaggery, all 3 simple, natural, and all from your kitchen.
Try them this winter. Start with one, then try the others. Your body will thank you.
If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to SSCW. Thank you, dear friends. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.